In this video, we are going to learn how to return multiple values from a function in Python. First, I will define a simple function and name it multi. And just declare and initialize some values such as x, 10, y to 20, and z to 30. And now here we are going to return all these three values. We can do that by using return and our variables that we want to return x, y, and z. And now I'm going to call this function and print those values. And save in other variables such as a, b, and c by calling our function multi. And I'm just going to print value of a and then print value of b and print value of c. I'm just going to save this script and run it. And now I can execute my Python script by typing Python 3 and the name of our script multi.py and just hit enter. And you can see over here it printed all those return values 10, 20, and 30. So this way we can return multiple values from a function in Python. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Asim Code. Keep supporting me and thank you for watching.